Do you know that there are certain filters that you can use in Dex Screener to find 2x, 5x, even 10x gains? I'm going to show you all the specific filters that I use in today's video. Then I'm going to go over some specific coins to show that this specific strategy that I use, looking for coins that are overall making a big trend in the market, but not only that, potentially coming into a perfect pullback zone that has major confluence. Going to be going through everything from start to finish, and make sure to smash the like and subscribe. Make sure when you're trading meme coins that you use the Telegram trading bot TradeWiz bot. I'll leave the link in the video description and comment section. You get a massive 10% off all of your trading fees. It's so easy to enter into any trading position. I've also shown you copy trading and their smart wallet feature in so many other videos. Plus they have some major announcements coming up, so stay tuned for all that. So here we begin. We always select Solana. Once we're here on this home page, we need to come over to this filter section. Liquidity at 1,000, market cap 250,000, maximum market cap at $20 million. Then minimum pair age, gonna set it at least 250. These are my specific filters that I use to find some really strong meme coins. And then once I have these specific filters set, I like to trend by 6 hours. So I like to see which coins are up nice and strong in the last 6 hours. And then an even better strategy would be to see coins that are up in the last 6 hours, but are potentially actually down in the last 5 minutes or 1 hour, meaning that they've made a really strong push to the upside and they're potentially coming back into a pullback zone. So I will open up one of these coins. One thing that we really do need to take into account is the overall market cap. That's going to be extremely important, because if we're buying at a $2 million market cap, we can make a 4 to 5x when it reaches that $10 million market cap. So we'd be able to make a 40 or 50x if it was to reach that $100 million market cap. So you need to take into account the market cap region, because obviously if you're buying a coin that has $1 billion market cap, you need another $1 billion to come into the market. So let's actually look into this coin as well. Another good thing to notice is also coins that are taking on the new AI narrative. AI coins are going absolutely crazy lately, so the AI narrative is definitely an important one to do. First thing that we always do when we're on an initial chart, we come over and actually select the market cap so we can see where the current coin is actually trading. Then I like to change to the daily so I can completely scroll out and see the overall price action that's happened on this chart. And then we come in on an earlier time frame and we can even see, okay, we did have a really strong initial push up to this 6 million market cap, really strong push to the downside, 500,000. We pushed up to over $12 million. And now where is the level that we were using? It looks like we're actually using around this $1 million market cap level. So we can scroll in even further, maybe on the 15-minute time frame, and see exactly what has been happening. So clearly we've been trending to the downside, clearly making lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. But this latest price action, we made a low, we made a lower low, we made a higher low. Then we finally pushed up, we broke above a lot of these highs. We've actually began to trend to the upside. So what we're now looking for is that type of stair-stepping pattern, because every coin is going to have strong pushes to the upside, and then our goal is to then buy on those pullbacks, because then we're going to have the highest probability but also the highest potential, because we can buy low and then look to sell high. Then when the price retraces, we look to buy again and then look for more continuations to the upside. This is how every single top trending coin acts, and you need to be looking to actually be selling high and then be buying back low when we do have these retracement levels. The best thing to really know where some of these retracement levels are, come over to the indicators, actually add on the EMA to your charts. We have the moving average exponential, and then you can see the overall slope of the EMA helps determine which way we want to trade. So when we have this positive slope on the EMA just like this, this means we can only look for longs in the market. But if we were to actually have a negative slope like we did back here, this means that we can only look for shorts in the market. So it's really as simple as that. So right here, we can even see that we're coming back to the EMA as a potential support zone, looking for that continuation up. So not only, and we get the opportunity to buy low, because if we even look, this was the old high in this current push at around that 3 million, and the overall average price was right down here. So we can actually see the difference between the average price and that current price at the top was actually close to 40%. So that means you're buying 40% above the average price. Why would you want to do that? Wait till you come back to the average price, you buy back in at the average price, as we're expecting a big extension away from the average price, and then we actually make those strong gains. So there is a few more coins that we're actually hitting our exact parameters, making a bit of a pullback. So again, start on the daily, we see the overall price action. Now we begin to scroll in to the chart. We see that we are beginning again to look for that stair-stepping pattern, because once we begin to break above these highs, you can see higher high, higher high, higher high. Now we're beginning to make higher low. We'd look for a higher low and another higher low after a higher high. So we can look to see and get back in on these pullback levels, because we could even scroll back into the chart and see where is some potential levels to even get out. We could see that back at this round $1 million market cap level, there is going to be a bit of a resistance. The reason being is this was initially support, and even through here, we broke down through this support level, used it as a resistance, and then made a strong continuation to the downside. So all through these levels, it's actually going to be a lot of people would have bought. Now they're quite down on their position. Once price does come back to this round $1 million market cap, you will see that a lot of traders will look to exit out of their position, but that's absolutely fine on us, because we enter at the $500,000 market cap level, we sell at this $1 million market cap level, we enter in for 3 SOL, we exit for 6 SOL, we make 3 SOL profit. Easy as that, and then we roll those profits into the next trade. And I would expect this trade probably to only take just a couple of hours to push to the upside. So you can make just a couple of SOL in a couple of hours, keep compounding those profits into the next trade, even add to your portfolio, where I've shown you in TradeWiz bot how to actually set up your own copy trading targets. I'm going to be going over that in tomorrow's video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Copy trading is probably the best way to take advantage of the current meme coin market, and I've shown you in so many videos. And then we've even given another potential opportunity here with this type of coin. Rather than actually looking for this type of retracement level and looking for an enter, what I'd be actually looking for is a breakout retracement. So we initially have resistance, and even potentially resistance in this level right now. What we do need to see is a strong breakout out of this level. Once we see a strong breakout, probably around to close to this $1 million market cap level, you'll see that price will actually begin to retrace. Rather than buying high, I can confirm that the overall trend has pushed to the upside, because we're making strong, massive trends. I can then even add the EMA to my chart. And what I look for after this strong push to the upside is retracement back into this level. And I can turn from a $400,000 market cap level, even just to that $1 million market cap level, nearly making a 2x, quickly pull out my Solana, and then again, move on to the next trade. So there's so many different ways that you can actually trade using technical analysis, depending on the overall technical chart of the specific token. I do teach you in massive detail in my Memecoin mastery. You can find it in the video description. It's currently 50% off. There's so many ways to be taking advantage of meme coins right now. I'm going to be showing you some live trades in some videos. I'm going to be going over copy trading and even some of my specific trades that I just made. If you've enjoyed today's video, make sure to smash the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.